Well, the former health secretary of North Carolina has been appointed now to lead the National Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. NBC's Erica Edwards reports on the challenges that new director faces.
The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention finds itself at a pivotal moment right now as it, like the rest of us, tries to move forward from the pandemic. But several key communication failures led to a decline in trust in what was once considered the gold standard of public health. That's where Dr. Mandy Cohen finds herself right now as she takes over as head of the agency.
If we want to protect the health of every American, we have to first make sure that we are building trust with the American people. And I know some of that trust was lost in the last few years. But I'm here to refocus the organization on building that trust.
How will you do that differently, though, from your predecessors? Is that engaging press briefings more? How will you get that message out to people who really need to hear that?
Well, first, it starts with the whole team at CDC. Trust is not just built with me doing something different. It's all of us being different. And at my first all-hands meeting here at CDC last week, the first thing we talked about was trust.
Cohen has also taken that message to Washington. This week, she met with both Democrat and Republican lawmakers because, as she puts it, public health is a bipartisan issue. Now, we also talked about a wide range of topics. She and the CDC right now are facing immediate health threats from extreme heat, air pollution from wildfires, surges in drug overdoses, and mental health issues. All this ahead of the next cold, flu, and COVID season. In Atlanta, Erica Edwards, NBC News.
And of course, a reminder that our own former director of the Maine CDC, Dr. Nirav Shah, now serves as the principal deputy director of the national CDC. Dr. Shah took over that role last March.